to Godzilla King of the Monsters. And today, me is all by himself. Because my brother is watching a movie downstairs with my grandma. And so today we are watching Sprunki cat memes. And I feel like this is going to be really, really funny. And sorry that the video is a little bit late because it's 9:44. Yes, 9:44. So let's get this started. I'll try this. Is this some kind of sprunky cat thing? Yeah, it definitely is.
20 minutes later.
What the heck?
Later.
The toilet.
Huh?
What the hell?
Huh?
Vibing.
Meanwhile. Huh?
That's something from
Huh?
the film. What's in the computer?
Meanwhile.
That's weird. To me, that's weird.
5 minutes later.
That's weird. We're locking the door. When it looks scary. Click on it.
Meanwhile.
Oh my god! So basically, this one is like doing the FBI open up thing. He's just trying to knock on the door and do his stupid thing. Oh, this is so funny already. It's not doing it.
5 minutes later.
What is happening?
Huh?
What are votes?
Huh?
The game goes now. The dark side of Sprunki.
Meanwhile.
FBI, open up!
Well, I actually did this! I pooped myself on this.
Huh?
You pooped yourself. He
Later.
literally did the FBI open up thing! I was just saying! Is he gonna go to the bathroom at... He's gonna go to the I pooped again. What the hell?
Meanwhile.
Bro fainted. I need diapers.
Meanwhile. Huh? Huh?
horse. You will be so excited.
Meanwhile,
Trying to kick the door.
3 days later.
She's done here. What's
Huh? Huh?
dog? GTA?
Huh?
Looks confused.
Huh?
Wasted. What is this? The hell is this? Cool dudes. Well, I guess hell. Stop. Look gooey. Attack?
Meanwhile. Huh?
What the hell is going on?
Huh?
I think I'm trying to fix the error.
12 seconds later. Huh?
Yes. Oh,
Nice. Meow. Meow.
why am
Meanwhile.
I gotta tell this?
1 eternity later.
I'm close to this universe.
Meow.
What can I computer? Black. I don't think that sounds like black. Huh?
A few moments later.
You're riding horses! This is hilarious. Let's
Meow.
need. Okay. Riding horses. Where is the gun? What the Sigma? What is this?
Meanwhile.
What is this? Good. What the Sigma? Mama. What the heck?
Click here to make your very own monster on
Oh my
Adapted
God,
Mind,
what is this?
where monsters teach you
That is all for this video. But if you want to see the next video, click on that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more.